Jammu and Kashmir's status as an international dispute is an established fact, regardless of the India's assertion that it is an internal matter. Experts in the region emphasize that the Kashmir issue remains a critical item on the United Nations Security Council agenda, supported by the historical agreements and the treaties. State of the press freedom in occupied Kashmir has rapidly declined following the revocation of the Article 370 by the Modi-led BJP government, according to a local journalist and observer. The region, long subject to restrictions, has seen the tightening of the control over the media activities. Journalists report facing increased pressure from the Indian forces, with many colleagues imprisoned. They are often compelled to reveal their sources and face the travel restrictions. OIC Contact Group on Kashmir has reaffirmed its support for the Kashmiri people's legitimate struggle for their right to self-determination and firmly rejected the Indian leaders' unwarranted claims over Azad Kashmir and the Gilgit-Baltistan. A joint communique issued after the meeting also underscored that the Indian paramilitary troops or the Legislative Assembly elections in occupied Kashmir cannot serve as a substitute for granting the right to self-determination to the Kashmiri people. Senior leader of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Bilal Ahmed Siddiqui, and chairman of the International Forum for Justice and Human Rights, Mohammad Ehsan Antu, have condemned the BJP-led Indian government's effort to fabricate a narrative of the normalization in the occupied Kashmir through its sham assembly elections in the territory. Bilal Ahmed Siddiqui and Mohammad Ehsan, in their statements in Srinagar, emphasized the sole demand of the Kashmiris is the provision of their right to self-determination. At least 61 schools have been closed following their occupation by the Indian Forces personnel in the Baramulla district, significantly disrupting the education in the district. Occupied Kashmir authorities have ordered the closure of the multiple schools and educational institutions which have been designated as the camping sites for the Indian Forces personnel, including the members of the Central Armed Police Forces, Jammu and Kashmir Armed Police and the Indian Reserve Police.